Thank you for viewing my virtual tour. Awesome, spacious and rare 5 bedrooms and 3 baths. Possible related living in this 2,466 square foot home with cathedral ceiling entry. Recently remodeled granite kitchen with stainless appliances, pantry and new flooring. Main level also includes 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom with laundry hookups, large family room plus a bonus area that can be used for related living or an office and separate entrance. Upstairs includes a huge master suite plus 2 more bedrooms and another full bath. Extra parking on left with gated access to the fully fenced side and in backyard plus shed. Possible RV or boat parking? Great location for a commute to either the Sonora area or the valley with easy access to Highway 108. How much room do you need or want? Plenty of yard. Easy level walking or bike riding in the neighborhood. Well-maintained home.